Assalamu alaikum viewers. Once again before you, this is Saidul Islam, assistant teacher, English Pir Kashimpur, RN High School, Muradnagar, Kumilla. Viewers, I am here with another class in class 7. Today's my discuss topic about tense. I have given in my previous class about the basic conception about tense. What is tense? What kind of tense? The classification of tense, and I also discussed already some of the tense. Today's I will discuss, viewers, look at the whiteboard. Students, look at the whiteboard. Today's my topics is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is which sense? This sense is anything done, already or anything done, already anything done. Like that, I have done the work. I have done the work. That means the work is just finished at now. Just finished at now. When any work just finished at now, you identify this sense is present perfect tense. You should first one to know about the structure of present perfect tense. The structure of present perfect tense. First one, you should give subjective form, then auxiliary verb have or has, then past participle form of verb, past participle form of verb, then object. This is the affirmative structure of present perfect tense. This is the affirmative structure of present perfect tense. Negative structure. Interrogative structure. When you want to make first one, you should give have, has, subject and past participle form of verb and object. And at the finish of the sentence, you should give the question mark. By this structure, you can make this type of sentence like that. For example, I have done the assignment. I have done the assignment. If you want to make this sentence, viewers, look at the whiteboard. If you want to make the sentence is negative, you should follow the negative structure. First one, you should give the subject. What is subject in this sentence? Viewers, what is subject in this sentence? Yes, I is the subject in this sentence. So you should write first on I. Then auxiliary verb have and has. Have or has. Which auxiliary verb you use with I? I is a first person singular. For this reason, I will use have when subject of any sentence is third person singular, like he, she, it, or singular name. Then you will use has. So in this sentence, subject is first person singular number, I will use have. And then not, then past participle form of verb. This is the subject, it is auxiliary verb, then this is main verb, and this form is past participle form of verb. So done. And the assignment. I have not done the assignment or done my assignment. If you want to ask by this structure to anyone like that, first one, you should give have and has to have verb as auxiliary. Has or have, you can give in this place also have. Have you finished? Have you finished? Have you finished the assignment? At last, you should give the question mark, because this sentence is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence start with normally WH word or auxiliary and finished with question mark. And assertive sentence, I have discussed, viewers, I have discussed in my previous class about sentence. In this class, I have discussed about it, that assertive sentence end with full stop and interrogative sentence end with question mark. Have you understand? Do you understand? Viewers, when you want to make an assertive sentence by this sense, you should give first one subject, then have, has, then past participle form of verb, then object. If you want to make a negative sense by this structure, first one you should give subject, auxiliary verb, then not and main verb, the form of past participle form, and object. I hope you can understand. Let's go another topics. past indefinite, past indefinite. In past indefinite tense, I will just give the structure. Subject plus past form of verb plus object. This is the affirmative structure. Negative structure, subject plus did not plus present form or verb plus object. Interrogative, auxiliary verb, first one you should give the auxiliary, then subject, then present form of verb, then object, at last question mark. Past indefinite is a sense which is happened at everything, which is happened at the back, in the back, the last. For example, I did the first assignment. Subject, first one, past form of verb, then object. That means I have done, already I have done the work. The sense is already I have done. So past tense is this sense, any work happened. That means I did the first assignment or the assignment. If you want to make a interrogative or negative sentence, you should give the auxiliary verb. I did not, and main verb, do the first assignment. By this way, viewers, by this way you can make easily this type of sentence. First one you should give subject, then past form of verb, then object. If you want to make negative, you should give, you should use the negative form with auxiliary verb like not. And if you want to make interrogative, first one you should give the auxiliary. So okay, viewers, I hope you will benefited by watching this class. Today's my class here is end. Thank you very much.